Howdy y'all, we're here in Funzi Island trying to make ourselves some intensive soil that we can build and plant some nice seeds over here. Because we want to try and make this into an independent, self-sustainable farm where our good friend Rafiq can grow some food and have the food for himself and his guests. So right here we're doing an intensive soil plot where we have different layers in order to create a very diverse ecosystem for a lot of the beautiful bugs and things that live in the soil to interact and have some rich nutrients that are bioavailable for the seeds and the plants. Amen.
Amen. So who are you working with here? What is the team?
I'm working here with mostly my good friend Maurice Abuya. Maurice Abuya and I were classmates for Laikipia PDC. Learning permaculture design, and then now we're here at Rafiq's place, and we got my other friends. We got Njoroge, we got Norman, we got Viraj, and this is the team here that I've assembled in order for us to promote eco solutions, regenerative solutions, and sustainable homes.
What can you say about regenerative agriculture and the future of the world?
Well, the future of the world is really determined by how we treat the land and how we eat. So we need to have good nutrients so that we remain strong. If we're not strong, we're easily manipulable. If you start thinking weird, crazy thoughts when you're not strong. So you need to start by treating the land with love and respect. Then the land will return that into food, and then you're able to move forward.
Yes, thank you very much, Nicholas, and welcome to Kenya again and again and again. And thank you for supporting the regenerative movement in Kenya and all over the world.
Amen, brother. Let's go.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.